This is how to add images in Neocities. From your dashboard, you can upload an image by clicking this upload and choose your image or images. You can also, for example, this one about. Then you can also add a folder so that you can organize your web files. For instance, images, and click create and open the image folder and upload your images. And if you want to use this image, we'll open this one. For instance, this, and just copy the URL. We'll go back to home and we will use this image on our HTML file. Say for example, our index. So we'll just click edit. Okay, I will place this using an image tag. Okay, we will add paragraph and image src. Let's paste our image link. Okay, it will be image. And let's close our paragraph. And we'll click save. Then we'll go back to our dashboard. And let's open our website. And here you can see the image. You can add more by doing the same. So let's edit. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Paste it here and we will choose another image. Okay, we'll use this one. And let's paste it on the source. Click save. And okay, we'll refresh our site and here it is. So this is how to add images in Neocities.